Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design an old film look effect. We are giving your photo an aged cinema feel. Start by distorting slightly and add noise filter for textures. And also overlay a dust and stretch PNG. Now apply color lookup and select film stock. Use gradient map to warm highlights and cool shadows. Then add bars, top and bottom for letterbox forming. Adjust curves for soft faded contrast. In seconds, your image looks like it came straight from a 1970s movie reel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.